Number one, stakeholders clearly understand responsibilities, goals, and standards to prevent misunderstandings. That is something that is extremely important. And I would even go back to debates, for example. If it cannot be defined upon a given term, then a lot of times the debate, they'll be talking past each other. So it's great to define terms. And I would consider this the same thing, where they clearly understand what the objective is, the responsibility, goals, and the standards that are necessary, right? Number two, identify and address gaps. Basically, what you do is recognize commitments when they're unmet, and then you identify the root cause of why they weren't met, and then you address the issue promptly and constructively, not negative, not rude, not gauche, not publicly as well. Do it in private, do it one on one if possible. If you do it publicly, it could backfire immensely, and that's not something you want to do. Number three, maintain mutual respect throughout the conversation. Basically, what you want to do is approach with empathy, respect, and then you focus on solutions rather than blame, right? So you can focus on the solutions, but the blame is they're going to blame this or blaming that. No, we're going to do empathy, respect, and then we're also going to worry about the solution, not blaming it on others themselves or making it a negative experience, if that makes sense. Number four, use facts and data, right? Discussion on objective facts, that's important, and observations to avoid defensiveness and keep the conversation productive and not get into tit for tat and this, that, and the other. You're just doing data and facts. That's what you want to keep in mind when you're doing this. Number five, drive for resolution and commitment. You want to have this accountability with clear agreements on corrective actions and renewed commitments that are supposed to happen within the relationship. Or, like I said, this could be in the private, personal, or even professional life that you could have these conversations. It doesn't necessarily in one arena, and it's extremely beneficial. Everyone talks about crucial conversations, but I believe this is actually a more in-depth book and a more useful book to, like I said, your private, personal, or professional life. What I'm going to do is leave a book about Bill Clinton, who I did read about his life, his autobiography. I found it very interesting. I was 4 years old when he was president, so that's why. In addition to that, I do have an Instagram, so you're interested in that, please go ahead and subscribe to that down below. That'll be in the description. I also have a Patreon channel if you would like to support this channel. If today's the day that I earn your subscription, thank you very much, and I appreciate your patronage. And thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.